Welcome to your personalized deep dive. We're diving into the crypto world today,
Yeah.
looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a handful of those other big names you're following.
Okay. Sounds good.
The data's pretty interesting, shows potential for some big moves,
Mm.
but got to be cautious too, some red flags popping up. Whether you're already in the crypto game or just kind of watching from the sidelines, we're going to break it all down.
Love it. Yeah, you can really feel the energy shifting in the market. It's like buzzing.
Yeah. And Bitcoin, especially. Hanging around that $100,000 mark, but just can't seem to break through.
Right, right. It's that psychological barrier. Everyone's watching it.
Yeah. So what's the big deal with this number anyway?
Well, it's more than just a number. Think about it. Bitcoin hitting 100,000. That's a huge statement, shows the world it's a serious player. And psychologically, once a barrier like that breaks, boom, new buyers jump in. Everyone wants a piece of the action.
So it's not just about the number, it's what it represents.
Exactly. But there's a technical side too. Can't forget that. We got to look at the 20-day exponential moving average, the EMA. It's around 95,673 right now.
Okay, and what does that tell us?
Well, the EMA helps us see the trend more clearly, smooths out the ups and downs. Traders use it to figure out support and resistance. So if Bitcoin busts through this 20-day EMA and then that 100,000, that's a really bullish sign.
Bullish, okay. But what if it dips below that 95,000 EMA?
Well, that could be trouble. Might mean the bulls are losing their grip, could see a pullback, maybe down to 90,000, even lower to the 50-day simple moving average, which is around 84,719. That 50-day SMA, it's another important indicator, but it looks at a longer time frame, gives us that bigger picture.
Got it. So basically, Bitcoin's kind of at a crossroads right now.
Yeah, exactly. Which way it goes next, that's the big question.
Right, all right. So what about Ethereum?
Oh, yeah. Ethereum's been having its own little battle.
Yeah.
Yeah, facing resistance around 4,094. And just like Bitcoin, it's got that crucial 20-day EMA as a support level, sitting at 3,633 right now.
Interesting. So why is that 3,633 level so important for Ethereum?
Think of it like a safety net. If it holds above there, buyers are still in the game, could push it back up to 4,094, maybe even higher, like 4,500.
But if it breaks down,
Ooh, that's when things get spicy. Sellers might take control. We could see a correction back down to that trend line support. But this is where the bigger picture comes in. Got to look at the whole market, what's happening out there. Any big news, events that could be spooking investors, any changes in how Ethereum is being used. It's technology. It all matters.
so it's not just about charts and numbers. It's about understanding the whole story.
Absolutely.
All right, and let's talk about a couple other coins. XRP and Solana, those were on your list.
Yeah, XRP, it recently peaked at 2.64, but it's coming back down to its 20-day EMA, which is at 1.99.
Okay.
And that level, that's the battleground, bulls versus bears. Will buyers step in, push it back up to those highs? Or will sellers win and drag it down even further?
What should we be watching for with XRP?
Volume, that's key. If we see a surge in volume with a braid above 2.64, that's a bullish sign. Could go up to 2.91, maybe even higher. But if it breaks below 1.99 with increasing volume, well, that's bearish. Could drop to 1.90, maybe even 1.68.
Okay, got it. And Solana, that one's been pretty wild lately, right?
Solana, oh yeah, it's a roller coaster ride. It tried to break above 248, didn't quite make it, pulled back to its 20-day EMA at 232.
Uh-huh.
Now it's sitting on support at 210. If that breaks, could be a deeper drop.
So it seems like these key levels, they're really important to watch.
That's the heart of technical analysis. Finding those support and resistance zones, they give us clues about where the price might go next.
This has been great. Feels like navigating the crypto markets like going through a maze.
You got it. Lots of twists and turns. Got to be careful. But that's what makes it exciting.
Totally.
And remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand, the better you'll navigate this market.
Great advice. And to our listener, what do you think? Bullish? Bearish? What coins are you watching? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
See ya.
All right, take care.
Bye.